Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this black and white mask video edit on CapCut PC. You'll see what I mean later on in this video. So I'm just going to copy and paste these videos, and I'm going to add a frame. Now you don't have to use this. You can use the one on you can make the mask itself on CapCut, but I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to add it kind of in the middle of the video, and it's going to adjust it like so. And then make sure this one's on layer 2, so make sure of that. And then on the second video I'm going to select adjustment, and I'm going to make the video black and white. And then here is where I want the mask to happen. So select the second video, get a mask, and select rectangle, and only mask inside of the Polaroid frame, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Wait, let me just edit this a little bit more. Oops. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!